Hey foodies, this is Aisha and I welcome you to my channel. This recipe for crispy prawns or shrimps is utterly simple, uses the basic spices and gets ready in less than 30 minutes. Crispy prawns makes for a delicious starters which is really quick and easy to make. Prawns, being the most versatile seafood types, can be cooked in numerous ways, and yet every dish turns out to be delicious. Have a look at the ingredients. These shrimps has been rinsed and cleaned thoroughly. Lemon juice eliminates smell and also enhances the taste of shrimps. So mix it well and soak for at least 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a blender, drop in some garlic cloves, green chilies, cumin seeds and coriander leaves. Adding water as required, grind it into a fine paste. Keep this paste aside and check out the dry ingredients which we would require. Now mix all these spices together such as coriander powder, turmeric powder, the garlic chili coriander paste that we blended earlier, along with corn flour, gram flour, and salt to taste. Now give it a good mix. Marination is all you need to create something which will tickle your taste buds and make the food finger licking good. And this marination will do its job exactly. The next thing is to add enough oil in a frying pan in order to deep fry the prawns. Carefully place the shrimps in the pan in such a way that there should be slight gap in between and they don't stick among themselves. Once they turn golden brown, flip it to the other side. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. A lot of people, including me, always confuses between prawns and shrimps. So let me clear you that prawns are a little sweeter compared to shrimps. And they both come in different sizes including small, medium, large and jumbo. Prawns do not take longer time to cook. However, sometimes it may depend on the size of prawns. But usually 5 to 7 minutes on both sides are enough. Crispy prawns are ready. They not only look good but also taste good. Trust me, you won't stop with few. So when you're making this, make sure you have a good quantity handy. Do try it. And also remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. See you soon.